SIS Academy. With respect to highlights of December month current affairs, in the category of reports and indices, we are talking about the Climate Change Performance Index 2020. So, we'll have a complete discussion on this report, the second report with respect to this category of highlights of December month. These reports are released in December month so that Climate Change Performance Index shows the indications of the climate change with respect to India and the global findings. So, the chosen topic for today's discussion is Climate Change Performance Index 2020. What is this Climate Change Performance Index 2020? We'll have the details regarding it. Then, why this was in news? Because India ranked high along with European Union and UK, the United Kingdom, in the latest edition of the Climate Change Performance Index CCPI 2020. So this India ranking higher makes a bigger news with respect to climate change. So we'll see what made India to be higher in terms of climate and what are the other measures and what are the modifications should be done by India to increase the number and achieve the Paris Agreement goals. So, what are the key findings of this report? Is that India for the second time, it's the second time in a row ranked among the top 10 along with EU and UK. So, it is the second time such that India has ranked among top 10. So, this is a very good news with respect to CCPI reports, and it has scored 63.92 points. What is it? 63.98 points in the index. Then it has received high ratings on all CCPI indicators except renewable energy, where it was categorized as having a medium performance. So we have to work more on renewable energy such that our solar energies. There are many initiatives by the India going on with respect to the solar energy, the CNG, the ethanol production. So we are increasing with respect to renewable energy, but the report tells we are having a medium performance. So we have to increase the renewable energy factors such that we will top in the same list in the next year also. Then the index found, what was the second finding is that the index found that no country was doing enough to meet the goals of 2015 Paris Agreement. No country was making so much efforts to get the Paris Agreement goals completed. So I'll tell you what is Paris Agreement goals, and 6 G20 countries were ranked among very low performers. So this is an indication that G20 countries must strive to complete or accomplish this Paris Agreement goals. The United States with the rank of 61 was the worst performer, such that Greta Thunberg and other environmental activities come out. By seeing this number, we can know why the conflicts are coming up there. So climate change is a very bigger and a very futuristic concept when we consider with respect to these indexes or with respect to the environment pollution. That is why US is scoring a very worst performer. So what is this Paris Agreement goals? Paris Agreement goals. See, Paris Agreement is a legally binding international agreement which was adopted by 160 members in Paris, and it came into force in November 4, 2016. So it is a legally binding international rules with respect to climate change, where 196 parties of COP21 Paris adopted this Paris Agreement. So we are also part of this Paris Agreement, and we are striving to achieve this Paris Agreement goals. So it was published by environment think tank German Watch. Keep in mind, Climate Risk Index is also released by German Watch. since 2005. So German Watch is making all these findings, keeping the data, keeping the culpable data with respect to this, and German Watch is releasing the reports, that is CCPI and Climate Risk Index also, which is similar to this and gives the findings with respect to climate change only. Then it is an independent monitoring tool for tracking countries' climate protection performance. What is it? Is tracking climate protection performance. So this was, it is, who releases the CCPI? It is released by German Watch. Then it comprises the climate protection performance of how many countries? 57 countries, and the European Union as well. European Union, keeping the values of European Union as a base, we compare with the other 57 countries also. Then, which are together responsible for more than 90% of global greenhouse gas emission. Paris Climate Agreement also talks about the greenhouse gas emissions. See, GHG, greenhouse gas, is an important topic with respect to prelims, because many questions are asked in the previous papers also. That is why this topic becomes important for us. And 90% of emissions is comprised of this, means it is very much threatening. So you can understand the evidence of how climate protection is necessary for every country with respect to climate change. And the CCPI mainly consists of many components: the primary energy per capita, the emissions per capita, the CO2 emissions from aviation. So there are enormous development emissions, renewable energy, climate policies, emission levels. So there are many components with respect to CCPI, and majorly they consider 4 parts for the release of the data. So this shows the data that 90% of global emission is comprising of 57 countries and EU. Then what is this? What are the criteria or the rules and regulations taking while making this report? Is that using standardized criteria, CCPI looks at 4 categories with 14 indicators. Which are there? 4 categories and 14 indicators. One is greenhouse gas emission, renewable energy, energy use, and climate policy. What are the climate policies in that country? What are the how the energy is being used per day? Then renewable energy, the sustainable use of renewable energy, then the greenhouse emission with respect to that. And 40% of the overall score, here 20% is considered, 20% and 20%. So greenhouse gas emission becomes a major component or the criteria for making this report. So this here you can see a chart with respect to climate risk index, which is also published by German Watch, and it gives the score about the death toll, deaths per 1 lakh inhabitants, and human development index is also given in that. So that it is giving the comparison between the countries and how the casualties with respect to climate change and how climate change is a major topic for the conservation. Then the CCP's unique climate policy. This climate policy section evaluates countries' progress in implementing policies working towards achieving the Paris Agreement goals. So as we have adopted this Paris Agreement goal, we have to strive to cut down the greenhouse emission, is what this climate policy also tells us. So this was a complete discussion about CCPI, climate report. So it is published by German Watch, and the key findings, as we saw, G20 countries are also included in that, and climate change performance index 2020 becomes important with respect to UPSC GS2 policies. So this was a category of the report, and for any such interesting videos, interesting data, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel named Believers IAS Academy. Believers IAS Academy. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can join our Telegram channels, and you can log on to our website www.believersiasacademy for any information regarding the UPSC examination. So thank you. Have a nice day.